Dear students, today we'll discuss about page protection in a memory. How page table gives protection in physical memory. Okay. Every process needs a number of pages and every process maintains its own page table. Okay. Page table is contained with a particular process page entries. Okay, this you should remember. Now, using paging, we are connecting the logical address to the physical address. Physical address means RAM, for example, RAM. Logical address is generated for secondary level memory, hard disk. Okay. Now let us see. CPU always generates a logical address P by D, and this page number gives page table. In each page table entry will have a frame number, and this frame number added with the offset physical address is generated. My dear friends, for this frame number, other bits are added that gives protection to the memory. So suppose a process P0 is using this page table. Suppose some other process wants to use a CPU generated some other than the process P1 logical address space. Our operating system should drop that, should trap that generated physical logical address. Okay. Now let us see with an example. So please remember, with this frame number, we are going to add some more bits, that is called valid, invalid, a bit for each and every frame. Valid means that frame belongs to particular process. Invalid means that process is not using that frame. Let us see this an example. 14-bit address space, this is equals to 2 power 14 locations. 2 power 14. 2 power 14 means 16384. You know that 2 power 4 into 2 power 10 is equals to 16 into 2 power 10 means 1024 bytes. This is 16,384 locations. Okay. A program that should use only, suppose a program is using only 0 to 10468 bytes only, with page size 2 KB, with page size 2 KB. It means, let us pictorially represent this problem. So total, a process is using 0 to 16383 locations. Okay. Out of these locations, my dear friends, each page size is 2 KB. Each page size is 2 KB. The 2 KB is the page size. And we are going to use only up to the program using only 10468 up to this many locations only. These locations from 10469 to 16383, these locations are not used by the program, but process using 14-bit, we generated, this is a logical space 0 to 16383. but program needs only up to this. Okay. Using page size 2 KB, 1 KB is equals to 1024 bytes. 2 KB is equals to 1024 into 2. Each page is divided as 2048 bytes. Let us see practically how this is implemented. Let us see, my dear friends. This is page 0 to 2 KB, right? This is 2 KB. 2 KB means 2047 up. 2047 is 2 KB. This is page 0. The page 1 starts from 2048 to 4095. This is page 1. And page 2 starts from 4096 to 6143. And page 3 starts from 6144 to 8191. And page 4 starts with 81922 102 10289 and so on. Page 5, this is page 5 is 12287. This is page 6, my dear friends, 122882. This is page 7, 16383. This is, see, the 2 KB byte. This is 2 KB, 2 KB, 2 KB, 2 KB. Okay, each page size is 2 KB. If you see that program needs how many bytes? Program needs only, in this program needs only 0 to 10468. It means program needs page 0, page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4. In page 5 starts with 10289 bytes, but we want 10468, means maximum in page number 5, in page 5, few bytes we are going to use in page 5. Very few. Somewhere we are going to get here 10468 we are going to get. With 14 bits logical space we generated. These pages are generated. Okay. Now these are all not used by the program. Now if we load this into a page table, we don't want these pages. We don't want these to be loaded into the main memory. We need to load only 5 pages. See, this is the drawback is in 5th page also we are using very little amount of memory. So maximum 5th page is also wasted here. This is called, the wastage of this memory is called internal fragmentation. So we'll put this is invalid bit for the frame number. We'll put invalid. We'll put invalid for these 2 pages. We don't want to load into the main memory. Only process needs up to this. So we'll put here For this, valid, 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 valid. Up to 5 we are going to put valid. Let us see how we'll translate this diagram into a page table. Then how we'll load into the main memory. Now we'll see. This is, my dear friends, frame number. Page number, frame number, protection. This is small table. 0 frame 0, frame 2. Page 1, frame 3, page 2, frame 4, valid, page 3, frame 7, valid, page 4, frame 8, valid, page 5, frame number 9, valid, page 6, page 7, here invalid. This is the page table. This is the page table, my dear friends. See this is frame number. Page number 0 to 5 we need. 0 to 5 are loaded in these frames. And all these frames are valid, up to here valid. Whereas 6 and 7 frames, process don't need. That is why we kept invalid. Now we'll translate it, we'll show it in a physical memory. Okay? Just if you see the physical memory, how it will be, we'll translate this diagram into physical memory. It will be like this. Frame number. Zero. 1, 2, frame 2 is page 0, frame 3, page 1, frame 4, page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5. My dear friends, if you see this is a main memory. In the main memory, their page 6 and page 7 are not loaded because we kept these two are invalid because process don't want these 2 pages. So these 2 pages no need to load into the main memory. Okay, like this we can give protection. If any logical address generated other than a process is using, that can be trapped by the operating system. Thank you.